Hello, classmates. Today, we will learn the practical operation of installing the deflector together. This task will be carried out in two practical parts. They are the preparation before the installation of the deflector and the installation practice of the deflector. First, let's take a look together at what preparations are needed before the installation of the deflector. Before the installation of the deflector, we need to rely on the tool list and the list of components for the deflector. Confirm that all the tools and components required for the installation of the deflector cover have been prepared. After the preparatory work before installation is completed, let's learn the practical installation process of the deflector together. Now let's start the practical installation of the deflector. First, please have two operators take their positions. Get ready to start. The first step is to install the bracket on the deflector. Select the bracket on the deflector. Place the bracket on the deflector cover on the mounting surface of the wheel hub. The short beams in the bracket are aligned with the axis direction of the bearing. Pre-tighten the 3M 4x12 hexagon socket screws on the short beam. The screws are spaced 120 degrees apart. The second step is to install the bracket under the deflector. Select the bracket under the deflector. Place the lower bracket of the deflector on the outer mounting surface of the outer ring of the pitch bearing. Slightly pre-tighten with 3M 4x35 hexagon socket screws. The third step is to install the deflector. Select the deflector. Insert the deflector cover into the hub from the top. Align the screw holes. Fix it with 2M 2x10 hexagon socket screws. Install the other 4M 2x10 hexagon socket screws and tighten them. Loosen the M4x35 hexagon socket screws of the bracket slightly. Attention, students, as the deflector is made of easily deformable material, when installing the screws of the lower bracket of the deflector, it is necessary to pull the outer eave of the deflector. Align the installation holes. Pre-tighten and secure with 3M 2x10 hexagon socket screws. Then tighten the 3M 4x35 screws on the lower bracket of the deflector. Okay, classmates, that's all for this class. Thank you for watching.